Hi all, this is Monisha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see a topic about Introduction to Cloud Computing. What is cloud? It's a cluster, it's a supercomputer, it's a data store, it's a superman. None of the above. Cloud is equal to lot of storage plus compute cycle memory. A single site cloud consists of computer nodes, switches connecting the racks, and network topology, storage nodes connected to the network, front end for submitting jobs and receiving client requests. A geographical distributed cloud consists of multiple such sites, each site perhaps with a different structure of services. A sample cloud that will be consist of core switches, rack switches, and etc. A cloud history of time. During the period of 1950 to 1960, the first data centers have been opened. Then the 1970 to 1980, time sharing companies and data processing industries have been introduced. And the overall the period of 1990 to 2000, the grids clusters have been introduced. Then peer-to-peer system was introduced in the year 2012. A cloud history that first introduced by IBM, Xerox, Honeywell. Trends and technologies of cloud computing are doubling period storage, 12 MOS bandwidth, 9 MOS. Disk capacities. Today's PC have TBs for more than 1990 supercomputer. Trends and uses. In 1919, by running small single molecule simulations. Today, CE runs large hardened collider producing many PB per year. Advantages of cloud computing. In 1965, MIT Fernando Corbato and the other designers of the multi-sys operating system envisioned and computer facilities operating like a power company or water company. Plug your thin client into a computing utility and play your favorite intensive compute and communicate applications. 4 features of cloud computing in today's world are massive scale, data intensive nature, new cloud programming paradigm. Combination of one or more of these gives rise to novel and unsolved distributed computing problems in cloud computing. Massive scale, that will be a huge scale in which cloud can be implemented and the cloud will be worked. On demand access, pay as you go, no upfront commitment, and anyone can access it. The servers of cloud computing will be have front end, back end, and inside the servers. 2 categories of cloud can be. It can be either public cloud or the private cloud. Private clouds are accessible only to company employees. Public cloud provides service to any paying customers. You are starting a new service company. Should you use a public cloud on purchase own private cloud? The whole summary of cloud computing have been cloud built on many previous generations of distributed systems, especially the time sharing and data processing industry of the 1960s to 1970s. Need to identify unique aspects of problem to classify it as a new cloud computing problem. The new cloud computing problem will have the large scale, on-demand access, a data-intensive mode, and a new programming. Otherwise, the solutions to your problem may already exist. The map reduce will be reduced into 2 different categories of the cloud computing. The cloud have a single site cloud that can be introduced or used as data centers that consist of computer nodes grouped into racks. That computer node will be grouped into racks. Then the switches connecting with the racks. The racks will be having many sectors. A network topology, that is hierarchical. A network topology have consist of bus topology, star topology, and etc. Hybrid topology and so on. Storage, the nodes and the cloud backup will be stored at the back end. The nodes that connected to the network, for example Google Photos, Vivo Cloud, that are collecting the data and storing at the back end, so we can access the data anywhere, anytime. for our users. A geographical distributed cloud consists of multiple such sites, each site perhaps with a different structure and services. Thank you for patiently listening to me.